That's a fascinating piece of history. The ancient Egyptian wheat and barley urine test is one of the earliest known pregnancy tests and an ingenious example of early medical practices. In ancient Egypt, around 1350 BCE, a woman suspected of being pregnant would urinate on two bags or containers of seeds, one filled with wheat and the other with barley. The results were interpreted as follows. If the wheat sprouted, the baby was thought to be a girl. If the barley sprouted, the baby was believed to be a boy. If neither sprouted, the woman was not pregnant. Modern science has looked into this ancient practice, and studies in the 20th century found a kernel of truth, no pun intended. The test may have been somewhat accurate in detecting pregnancy, but not the baby's gender. Pregnant women's urine contains elevated levels of certain hormones, such as estrogen, which can stimulate seed growth. Non-pregnant urine wouldn't produce the same effect. The test reflects the Egyptians' deep observational skills and their efforts to connect biology with daily life. It also shows how ancient societies sought to predict and control aspects of life they couldn't fully understand. Though the gender prediction aspect wasn't scientifically valid, the test demonstrates how resourceful ancient people were in using the natural world to explore human health and reproduction.